Hi students, this is 10th Maths, Chapter 2, Numbers and Sequences, Exercise 2.6, Question number 1. Last class we have seen about arithmetic sequences. In this class we are going to see about arithmetic series. So first question is, find the sum of. What is arithmetic series? The sum of all terms of arithmetic sequences, arithmetic series. So here find the sum of the following. First question, 3, 7, 11, etc. up to 40 terms. 40 terms. Here last term is not given. Here one series is given. That is, first we have to check what this is, whether it is arithmetic or geometric series. So first term is what? A. So A is equal to 3. D is common difference. T2 minus T1 is T2 is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So here common difference is 11 minus 7, that also 4. So here common difference is present here. Therefore, this given sequence is arithmetic sequence. Here up to 40 terms means what is this? This is n. So n is equal to 40. What is our question? Find the sum of the following arithmetic series. Because common difference is here. Therefore, given sequence is arithmetic sequence. So what formula we have to use here? Find the sum of. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is suitable formula for here. So use that formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is 40 by 2. So here S 40. 2 into A is 3 plus n minus 1 means n is 40 minus 1 into D is 4. So into 4, that's why put one bracket. So cancel by 2 table. 2 ones are 20 times. So 20 into 2 threes are 6. 40 minus 1 is 39. 39 into 4. So 20 into 6 plus 39 into 4. 4 nines are 36. Carry 3. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So S40 is equal to 20 into 6 plus 156, 12, 6, 1. So 20 into 162, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, times this 0. Therefore, the sum of first 40 terms of this given arithmetic sequence is 3240. This is your answer. Now, from exercise 2.6, first question, third subdivision. Second subdivision is homework. Find the sum of the following: 6 plus 13 plus 20 plus etc. up to plus 97. This is one series is given. Here first term is given. We don't know whether it is AP, arithmetic series, or geometric series. First we have to find what series is given. So here first term is given. A is 6. D is common difference is T2 minus T1 is equal to 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Here 3 minus T2, 20 minus 30, that also 7. Therefore, given series is arithmetic series. Now, this is plus 97. This is last term. That is L is 97. Last term only given. We don't know what is N. That is number of terms. How many terms are here? that only we have to find first. So n is equal to what formula? L minus a by d plus 1. L is last term is 97 minus first term is 6 divided by d is common difference 7, this plus 1. So 97 plus minus 6 is 91 by 7 plus 1. Cancel by 7 table, 7 1 times balance 2, 21, 3 sevens are 21. Therefore this 13 plus 1 is 14. So n is equal to 14. So here now we know what is n. N is 14. Now find the sum of the following series. So what formula we have to use now? Sn is equal to n by 2. Don't what? Use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n, because we know what is last term. So use this formula. Here Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. So n is 14 by 2. A is 6. L is 97. So 6 plus 97. Now cancel by 2 table. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. So 7 into 6 plus 97 is 103. Now multiply. 7 3s are 21. So 2 7 ones are 7. Therefore n is what? 14. Yes, 14. Therefore yes, 14 is equal to 721. This is answer. From exercise 2.6, question number 3. Find the sum of first 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 4n minus 3. Here given series is AP, that is given. So common difference is that. So find the sum of first 28 terms. This is n. So we don't know that series. So first find that sequence. So here nth term is given. What are given? N is equal to 28. So the nth term is 4n minus 3. We have to find first term and second term. Then only we can find common difference. So first substitute n is equal to 1. So t1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. This is first term. T1 is nothing but first term, that is A. Next substitute n is equal to 2. So T2 is equal to 4 into this one is now 2 minus 3 is equal to 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So this is first term, this is second term. So A is equal to 1. Common difference B is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now we know what is A, what is D, what is N. What is our question? Find the sum of. So now given one is AP. So use this formula. Sn is equal to, here last term we don't know. So use that formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 28 by 2, this bracket 2 into a is first term, so 1 plus n minus 1 is n is 28 minus 1 into this d is 4, close this bracket. 28 by 2, cancel by 2 table, 2 ones are 14 times. So 14, open bracket, 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2 plus 28 minus 1 is 27 into 4. Close this bracket. So 14 into 2 plus 27 into 4, 4 sevens are 28, carry 2, 2 fours are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Now add this to 14 into 1 10. Now multiply 14 ones are 14, carry 1, 14 ones are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So tag this 0. Therefore yes 28 is equal to n is 28. Yes 28 equal to 1540. This is okay. Exercise 2.6 question number 5. The 104th term and 4th term of an AP are 125 and 0. Find the sum of first 35 terms. What are given here? Given series is AP, that is given. 104th term and 4th terms are 125 and 0. Therefore, T 104 is equal to 125, T4 is equal to 0. That are given. What we have to find? Find the sum of first 35 terms. That is, we have to find S35. So, how to start? What are given? 104th term. So, T104 is equal to 125 and T4 is equal to 0. These are given. So, use nth term formula. What is nth term? n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, use that formula. A plus n minus 1 into d. So, T104 is equal to 125, which implies n is 104. We don't know what is a, what is d. So, a plus T1 is a, T2 is 1d, T3 is a plus, no, T1 is a, T2 is a plus 1d, T3 is a plus 2d, T4 is a plus 3d, here T104 is a plus 103 into d is equal to 125. This is our first equation. So next is T4 is equal to 0, which implies a plus 4th term, that is a plus 3d is equal to 0. This is our second term. Now solve 1 and 2, change the sign, minus, is minus, is minus. So plus a minus a get cancelled, 103 minus 3 is 100, d is equal to 125. Therefore, d is equal to 125 divided by 100. Cancel by 25 table 4 times, here 5 times. So, d is 5 by 4. Substitute in first equation. So, d is 5 by 4. Substitute in second equation. Substitute d is equal to 5 by 4 in second equation. Second equation is a plus 3d is equal to 0. Now what is d here? A plus 3 into 5 by 4 is equal to 0. So a plus 3 5s are 15. 15 by 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to, transfer this fraction to that side, minus 15 by 4. This is our a. Now we know what is d and what is a. What we have to find? Find the sum of first 35 terms. That 35 is our n. n is equal to 35. So find the sum of first 35 terms means use Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 35 is equal to 35 by 2 into 2 into what is a? A is minus 15 by 4 plus n minus 1 is 35. That is 35 minus 1 is 34 into d is 5 by 4. Close this bracket. Now cancel table, 2 1 times. Two rows are here. 2 table, 2 times. And 1 times, 70 times. So 35 by 2. Here 1. 15s are 15. So minus 50 by 2 plus exercise 2.6 question number 12. Find the sum of a minus b by a plus b plus 3a minus 2b by a plus b plus 5a minus 3b by a plus b plus etc. up to 12 terms. So here n is 12. Last term is not given here. So first term is a minus b by a plus b is our first term. Second term is 3a minus 2b by a plus b. Here our first term a is a minus b by a plus b. Common difference is t2 minus t1, that is 3a minus 2b by a plus b. This is t2 minus t1 is a minus b by a plus b. So addition of two terms, two fractions, a common denominator. So LCM is a plus b. What about numerators? 3a minus 2b. This minus is common for a and b. So minus a. This minus into minus plus b. Now 3a minus 1a, 2a minus 2b plus 1b minus b minus 1b by a plus b. This is our common difference. Now find the sum of up to 12 terms. N is 12. So use Sn formula. Last term is not given here. So use Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 12. Yes, 12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into a is a minus b by a plus b. This plus n minus 1. N is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into d is 2a minus b by a plus b. So 12 by 2 is cancel by 2 table. So 6 into common denominator a plus b. What about numerator? 2 into a minus b plus 11 into 2a minus b. Now 6 divided by this a plus b. Numerator multiply by 2 table, here multiply by 11. So 2a minus 2b plus 2 11s are 22a minus 11b. How many a terms? 2a, here 22a. Both are in positive. So 6 by a plus b into 2a plus 22a is 24a. What about b term? Here minus 2b, here minus 11b. Both are in same sign. So added to the same sign. So minus 11 plus 2 is 13b. So this is the sum of 12 terms of this a.